application on the position of KYPA, that is Kenya Young Parliamentarians Association, and would like to warn some of the media houses who are rumor mills, spreading rumors left, right, and center, who are making mere statements of puff, and who are misrepresenting facts. And I would like to say that we did meet as 15 members of parliament from the Azimio coalition party, and I decided as Babu Owino to step down from my position as a Secretary General and give a chance to other new members of parliament to get to serve us in various positions. I stepped down. Honorable Mwenje also stepped down from the position of Deputy Secretary General, since he has now been made a Deputy Minority Whip in Parliament. And Honorable Hezena, the Senator, stepped down as a Treasurer. And we decided to give this opportunity to other members because we've served for 1 year now. And I served as a Secretary General in the last Parliament for 5 years in KYPA. And I would like to say that we did this for the best interest of all of us, for rotational leadership. And KYPA must stick to its principles. It must never be overtaken by the government, because this is a caucus that should protect the interest of youth in this nation. Otherwise, there was nothing like Babu being kicked out. If the way you look at me, do I look like a person who can be kicked out of KYPA? It is KYPA that needs Babu Owino, and Babu Owino does not need KYPA. But for the collective interest of all members of parliament and the respect that we have for KYPA, that is what makes us be part of it. Otherwise, thank you and God bless you all.